If you also want to create thumbnails like this and get millions of views, then you don't need any difficult software like Photoshop. All you need is just one video, the one you're watching right now. In today's video, I'll show you how to create thumbnails using AI, and the best part, it's completely free. There are 3 ways to create thumbnails. An important notice, those prompts which I used in this video, you can access from description. First way, copy viral thumbnails. Go to YouTube and search for a viral thumbnail that matches your video topic. Take a screenshot of it, then upload that image to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. ChatGPT will give you a perfect image prompt. Now simply copy that prompt, paste it on ideogram, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and hit generate. Within seconds, you'll get a perfect thumbnail. Second way, make minor edits to an existing thumbnail. In this method, you can directly take any popular video's thumbnail and make a few small changes to it. Take a screenshot of the thumbnail, then go to Google AI Studio, select the model Nano Banana, and upload your image. If you're using an avatar, upload that as well. Now type in the given prompt and hit generate. You'll instantly get a new, perfect thumbnail. Third way, generate from your script. If you already have your video script ready, upload it to ChatGPT and type this prompt. ChatGPT will give you 3 types of perfect thumbnail prompt for your video. Now go to ideogram, paste one of them, and generate your thumbnail. And after a few seconds, your thumbnail will be ready, and if you not like, then try other prompts given by ChatGPT or ask ChatGPT again, and ChatGPT will give you new prompts with more perfect results. But if you ask for my personal opinion, I think the first method is the best, and that's exactly what most popular creators use too. And if this video helped you, don't forget to drop your opinion in the comments and follow me for more amazing videos like this.